Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to share with you delicious shrimp recipes. Stay tuned and let's cook. Let me take you to Mediterranean cuisine kitchen today, which is, I love Mediterranean cuisine for that softness, fresh food. They don't overcook their foods, which is fish. You have mostly fish, okay, shrimps, crabs, langosta, tomato, paprika, and olive oil. It's not like you don't get those things elsewhere, of course you do, but this is mostly Mediterranean kitchen, which is Spain, France, Italian, Croatia, up to Greece. It's amazing kitchen there, cuisine there. Okay, so let's come back to our dish for today. I went ahead to peel my prawns, big prawns, king prawns, and then clean very well. What I did was just introduce direct on my pan without letting it brown. I don't want to have a roast aroma here today, so just introduce in a pan, season with just salt, pressed garlic, lemon juice or sliced lemon. I added some cracked black pepper or any pepper of your choice, and lastly a cube of butter. You want to stir here and there to prevent from burning, just a little bit. Do not overcook it, and when that is done you will set aside. You want to continue or clean up your pan. Introduce some olive oil. As you can see, my vegetables have been prepped. I am going for fresh tomatoes. I have 5 fresh medium tomatoes for this recipe. I have yellow, red and green, half bell pepper, each half of it. I have 3 red onion. I have zucchini, 1 zucchini, leek and garlic clove. All the ingredients for this recipe is listed out in the description box. So what I did, I went ahead to cut my tomato in a cube, not too small cube form, just like this. So cut your veggies as you prefer. Introduce on your preheated olive oil and toast a little bit here and there. Next, I will introduce 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, which is going to serve as a thickener also. At this point, I will add in my pressed garlic. Again, I added some fresh thyme. I also season with 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, vegetable seasoning or whatever you have to season with. And then just small amount of scotch bonnet pepper. You want to add pepper to your taste, okay? Cayenne pepper or black pepper, whatever you have. Again, I went in with just 1 teaspoon of oregano. So stir here and there to make sure that your sauce is well seasoned. I didn't season with salt, guys, no salt. Don't forget that the prawns I seasoned a little bit with salt. And then my pasta water, as you can see, I'm adding pasta water. My pasta water contains salt also, so there's no need of seasoning with salt again. You don't want to spoil this delicious dish with salt, okay? And the all-purpose seasoning, there's salt there too, so that's why I didn't season with salt. So I added my pasta water, just small amount. It shouldn't be too thin nor too thick. You want to make sure you have the perfect consistency. I'll leave this to you, depends on how you want your sauce to look like. So make sure that your sauce is well seasoned before adding your vegetables, because you don't want to overcook the vegetable trying to adjust your sauce, okay, to adjust everything. So make sure it's set and then add your vegetable. You want to generously incorporate everything. Make sure that everything is well in order, and then cover up to cook for not more than 3 minutes, guys. Not more than 3 minutes, because it depends on how you want your veggies, how you cook your veggies. So I love that crunchiness of veggies. I say it every time here. So, and then back, you want to take off your lemon, sorry. Okay, take off the lemon, add in your prawns just to heat it up a little bit. You don't want to overcook it, okay? So do not overcook it. Just add it, and add in some basil. Basil on the spot is not complete without basil. So add in your fresh basil to get that umami taste out of the sauce. And stir here, and then when you are sure that it's all heat up, you want to have that explosion in your mouth with those prawns. This is why we didn't brown it, because those sounds you have while enjoying it. Stir here and there, and you are ready. Our sauce is ready. Everybody can make this meal in my house after years. It's so amazing when you just call for your daughter or your husband, can you make this sauce? Can we have this sauce for today? And when you get home, the taste is still the same way like you do yours. So guys, it's an easy one, and I'm sure you can do this. You can make this with this recipe. It's so fresh and delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video, and also check out for more recipes on this channel. You will love them, okay? Look at that fresh bowl of prawns, okay? So this pasta you're seeing here, you can serve with pasta or rice, guys. I finished it. It's not proud to say, but I finished it. It's so good, guys. So lekker. Thank you guys for always coming back, for sharing my videos. I appreciate you all. To my returning subscribers, thank you. I love you all. Thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like this video, share with your loved ones, and see you in my next one. Leave your opinion down below. Bye for now.